Hello, I am Nick the Tool, and have I got a product to make your life easier today? So let's say you're changing some cam belts on some modern vehicles. You may have a single cam, twin cam, quad cam that you're trying to lock up. There's lots of specialist kits that are quite expensive that are designed for locking up specific engines, but Snap-on have brought out a clever tool which is going to do all the different cams for you in one kit. So let's take a look. So individually here we have your single cam lockers, so these just drop straight in. These are designed to lock into the teeth, and then you just tighten the pin up and away you go. They're a heat treated steel, so you don't have to worry about them getting damaged on here. This is heat treated on the edge of here, and the frames that you can see in here that are grey are actually made out of fiberglass reinforced polymer, so they're not going to corrode, but they're also going to stay extremely strong. Now the big one in here is for doing some of your bigger cams. So these teeth adjust this way through here. They also go this way, so you can easily drop these into the sprocket wherever you need, lock up the engine, and then remove your belt with confidence. So if you're interested in one of these tools, just jump on your Snap-on van and ask your Snap-on franchisee.